Hi there, just making a quick video of the Barbie Poodle. It's really cute. I don't know if his nose is supposed to be sideways. Where is that? Well, his whole face is a little sideways, so I think that's how it's supposed to be. There are batteries in there. There's a little area where you... He sneezes. He's got a red nose. So cute. And so there's Velcro with the battery pack in here. So that is on, and there is the other side that's the display or the tester or sample. So when you put it on this side,
hi, it's Barbie. My puppy friend isn't feeling too well. Hi, it's Barbie. My puppy friend isn't feeling too well. Uh-oh. I think she has a cold. Here's a tip.
okay, so that's... Let's take a DNA. Is that what he's saying? The batteries are low. So there is most of it. But it is that the battery is low when the voice slows down and the volume goes down. So I'll take the batteries out. It's not going to include the batteries. But there it is.
Hi, it's Barbie. My puppy friend isn't feeling too well. Uh-oh. I think she has a cold. Here's a tissue. Let's help her blow her nose. Check her heartbeat with my stethoscope. Give her a treat. What a good patient. Wow. You're going to be a great pet doctor.
Okay, so I'm going to squeeze it one more time. Okay, so it's in the barking. That's another squeeze. Aww, that's cute. Alright, so there it is. And it will be listed for sale. You know, he's got like a little bit of, well, it's a poodle. It's a little bit of dirt because I did, and it's just dirt. It's just, see little spots here and there, and I'll try to clean it out as much as I can. But you might want to do the same as well. It's cute. And it will be for sale, listed online. I've expanded from eBay as well as Mercari and other platforms. So, yeah, look for it. There it is.